Hey folks, Kia of Saskatoon here with another fantastic trade-in. And remember folks, we want to see it in a Kia, or in this case, this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Now this is a gorgeous car inside and out. Take a look at this. It is the Sport with some leather. Also has all-wheel drive as well. Come take a look at this. There's a ton of room back here, and especially when you fold down those seats, it gives you so much room. Now, the nice thing about this one is that even your passengers in the back, even on the cold winter days, you got heated seats back there for your passengers. You got this nice little sunscreen so that nobody gets blinded or gets annoyed by that sun on those long road trips that you're gonna take. And of course, we got heated seats and stuff up front. You got this huge panoramic roof that goes almost all the way to the back. That thing is ridiculous. And this just came in, so make sure to come take advantage of this before it disappears. Take a look at how good this layout is. Unbelievable. Such a nice car. So yeah, come on down to Kia of Saskatoon where we want to see in a Kia. Also to make sure that you follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our channel, our Facebook, and our Instagram, and we look forward to seeing you here. See you later.